So, guys, welcome back to the channel Cat Comrade, and today I'm back with a complete guide of how to make an interior look and feel model, look and feel presentation. So, basically, what are the things that you should never miss is first is the cover page, then followed by the table of content, and then followed by all the reference images, materials. If you have some if some mood board, or you have references of the furniture, texture, color, everything like that has to go in this presentation. So starting with the first slide of the space is the entry foyer. So basically you have to go in a hierarchy of ascending or the descending order of the spaces. Like if you are doing a building, then you have to go like ground floor, first floor, second floor, and then you have to continue the rest of your presentation. So here we are doing residence interiors. So we are going with different kind of a hierarchy. So basically how the whole house is. So starting with the entry foyer, we have three reference images that we are going to follow, and the two main anchors of this space is that it is going to be of wood, and it is going to have the color beige, which is right over here. And next we move forward with the living room, which is right over here. And we have the reference images. Like this reference sees that they want a jula right in the living room, and this is how the placement is going to be of the main living room. Basically this photo shows the mood and the aesthetics that are going to be followed in the house. Next, we move on to the living room again, that has a different kind of mood. So basically, this is for a first kind of a meeting, that if the client doesn't like any of the images, it gets deleted right from the presentation itself. And that you usually becomes very easy for further communications and decision making. So this is how the next kitchen is going to be like, then followed by some more kitchen and dining. So basically, this client wants a island kitchen in their kitchen space. So this is how we have, visualized that how the island kitchen is going to be like. So we also have a reference of the ceiling where the chimney can also go right over here. And again, the anchors of this space is the three materials and textures that is going to be followed, like the marble, the wood, and the metal. Then moving forward to the dining area. So basically dining area is going to be very simple and sleek. So here they have like three options of the furniture. Like in the first one we have is fabric and metal, the second is of full wood, and the third one we have a combination of chairs and sofa. So basically this from the three, one gets selected and the rest uh, the, gets out, then followed by the mandir. So basically the whole mood of the mandir is of a glass wood partition, and followed by a marble backdrop, which is right over here, something like this. And the next we have is the guest bedroom, rightly attached to the guest to the mandir. So basically the guest bedroom have is a small 1.5 x bed, like not a proper double bed but a smaller queen size bed. And next is followed by the overall bathroom aesthetics that you can see right over here, which is very sober, very light. The lights on the top are pretty bright and things like that. And next that we have is the master bedroom. So here we have two options of the colors. Like this one, it goes to a darker tone, and this one is wood veneer and things like that, followed by some more options of the master bedroom. So as I told you that images from here gets like kicked out, um, so it becomes easier for us also. So in the daughter's bedroom, the daughter is very keen to having a step kind of a theme, which is right over here, that we are still going to figure out based on the heights that we get from the residents. And the client is actually a lawyer, so he's also going to have a home office, which is right over here, on one of the room. And the main anchor theme of this office is going to be a green leather and wood, which just reflects the aesthetics of a lawyer. And they have a very nice landscape backyard area, so they are very sure that they want a hardscape, and they don't want anything to be softscape or grass or anything like that. So they are very sure about that. So, and last, the thank you slide. So that was it for the video. I wanted to go make you go through the interior presentation and how it is made, and the key insights that you get from making the interior presentation. So if you like the video, then share it with someone who may need it, and thank you.